especially in those spots where you're at. It sucks to go down on the ground with our rockers and hit it 4 or 5. Look at it.
And down here always gets dirty. That's why I put the paint protection. But I mean, even because normally paint protection with the film that I have here,
Yep.
when it gets dirty, it's very hard to clean.
Because
I just sprayed a little bit on there and lifted all that dirt.
It'll take it right up. You'll find that love bugs and bugs on your lenses in your window.
Right.
Spray it on and wipe it. It'll come off.
Oh yeah. Look at
Love
that.
bugs still are stubborn, but the regular bugs.
I mean, finish this.